Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. We are the Crystal Sand Solutions team. My name is Cecilia, and I will present you our solution to the problem of surgical site infections using our product, the Sensing Post-Op Patch. So there's a large volume of surgeries going on per year. In fact, each of us in this room will go to a surgery twice in a lifetime. The problem is that 10% of the surgical wounds infect, and the current practice for detection of this infection is clearly taking too long. So infection is detected when you change your wound dressing. This can occur either at the hospital or already when you are at home. So this is a typical surgical wound. If you are lucky enough, you will get a really experienced nurse, will look at this, think that something is not right, and your wound will be opened. And look, the infection was already there for quite a long. After opening the wound, the swab is taken to the lab, and then you need to wait at least 24 to 48 hours before you know which pathogen is involved in this infection. Only at this stage you can get the right antibiotic being prescribed. So this is clearly taking too long. Surgical site infections are very costly. Patients are 50% more likely to die, and the healthcare providers spend extra 10 billion euros per year. So our solution to this problem is based on two key facts. The first one is that pathogens release volatiles as soon as they start the infection process in a wound. The second one is that each pathogen has a unique volatile fingerprint. So our technology is based on materials that can interact with these volatiles. We have incorporated our materials in a sensor. This sensor can provide both an electrical and an optical signal, and this is a unique feature of our sensor. This dual response is what distinguishes our sensor from the others and gives a very great accuracy in the detection process. So to address the problem of surgical site infections, what we propose is a surgical patch like this one, where we will incorporate our sensor. So this is a scheme of our product, and we have here this region which is the sensing chamber where the detection will occur. And then we also have a results display area where a color will appear indicating the nature of the pathogen involved in this infection. So using our patch, we provide simultaneously the early detection and the pathogen identification at a very early stage using a non-invasive and very easy to use methodology. So comparing with our main competitors, which are the microbiological tests and a point-of-care test, our solution is clearly superior. So this point-of-care test is only a partial solution because it doesn't identify the pathogen, so you always need to go through microbiological tests. So considering these unique capabilities of our solution, we can price it at 50 euros per patch. This was very well accepted by the main stakeholders involved in the adoption process of such a product. They clearly stated the importance of early detection, which drives early therapy. So using our product, we can reduce mortality associated with these infections by threefold, and by reducing the number of days in the hospital, we can provide savings to the healthcare provider at 77% per infection. Our global market are the total surgeries worldwide. We'll start with Europe due to regulatory facilities and advantages, and within Europe we will target cesarean colon surgeries, as these are very prevalent and with very high rates of infection. So our entry market will be 15.4 surgeries per year. Our product is composed by three components. The materials will be produced by us. Electronic and wound dressings will be outsourced, as well as the final assembly of the product. We will sell the product to the final customers through distributors. The market response for our patch was very good, as we can see in this sentence from one of the key leaders in the wound care management market. So to reach there, we require 2.5 years to get prototype development and validation, plus 2.5 years for clinical efficacy tests and CE marking. We're ready to enter the market by the end of year 5, and for this we require a total investment of 7.3 million euros. As we have a platform technology, we will start our expansion strategy in year 3 with a sensor for the oil and gas industry, for which we will already have proof of principle data from the lab. So these are our financials, just considering the entry market in the colon and cesarean surgeries, and we expect by year 5 revenues in the order of 10 million euros. So as a wrap-up, we have a platform technology which we have explored to provide a cost-effective solution for the diagnosis of surgical site infections. We are a very experienced team in the area of biotechnology with more than 15 years experience. We have been working together for more than 6 years, and these are our contacts, and we'll be happy to receive an email from you. So thank you very much for your attention. I'm looking forward for your questions.